मुझे लगता है उन्होंने जिस प्रकार से सीट छोड़ दी, सबसे बड़ा संदेश तो उन्होंने ही दिया कि अमेठी में नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार के माध्यम से बहुमुखी विकास हुआ है, इसलिए आज गांधी परिवार भी मजबूर है सीट छोड़ने के लिए। अगर जीतने की कोई भी गुंजाइश होती तो निश्चित रूप से परिवार का कोई सदस्य लड़ता।
Weeks of suspense finally ended on May 3rd. Just hours before the nominations closed, the Congress named its Amethi and Raebareli candidates. After countless debates, discussions and deliberations, Rahul Gandhi has finally chosen Raebareli, the seat held by his mother Sonia Gandhi for 2 decades. Interestingly, the Congress has fielded Kishori Lal Sharma from Amethi. While speculations have been put to rest, bigger questions have arisen. Why has Rahul Gandhi chosen Raebareli over Amethi? Is the Wayanad MP escaping a head-on battle with Smriti Irani? Why didn't Priyanka Gandhi enter the electoral fray? She has been campaigning for years after all. And if Rahul does win Raebareli and Wayanad both, which one the Gandhi scion will abandon? The one with the family legacy or the one he has been trying to make his own fortress? There are 100 other such questions floating around, but we are going to get down to the brass tacks. Let's accept it. Congress would definitely have known that not contesting Amethi would draw a massive backlash. With the grand old party conceding one of the only 2 Gandhi bastions in Uttar Pradesh, the BJP would obviously claim it as a moral victory. After all, Amethi will see a poll battle without a Gandhi in fray after 25 years. In 1999, Sonia Gandhi made her electoral debut from Amethi. In 2004, she too went to Raebareli to make way for Rahul. So why did Rahul choose Raebareli over Amethi?
अब बात रही रायबरेली की, तो परंपरागत रूप से रायबरेली से सीनियर मेंबर जो होता है परिवार का, फिरोज गांधी साहब के बाद इंदिरा जी ने यही चुना। इंदिरा जी के बाद जब सोनिया जी आई तो अमेठी में राजीव जी की सीट पे आई, लेकिन जब राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बनी तो वो आ गई रायबरेली और राहुल जी ने शुरू किया अमेठी से। अब इस समय हमारे सर्वोच्च नेता अगर कांग्रेस में कोई है तो राहुल गांधी है, तो वो अपने अमेठी से यहाँ आ गए हैं। अब वहां से परिवार की ही तरह एक सदस्य चुनाव लड़ रहा है।
The Congress says it's tradition, but political pundits say it's more likely Smriti Irani. The union minister did not give up on Amethi despite losing to Rahul Gandhi in 2014. In 2019, she stunned everybody when she beat a Gandhi candidate in their most secure of bastions. Losing again from Amethi would have once again raised questions on Rahul Gandhi's leadership and political acumen. With no prominent BJP rival to fight against, the Raebareli seat is also relatively safer for the Wayanad MP. From the looks of it, Rahul Gandhi is confident of easily crossing this hurdle. Before the Congress announced the names, there were reports that the Gandhi siblings just don't want to contest in Uttar Pradesh. Reports suggest that Rahul Gandhi only agreed to contest after a lot of discussions with party chief Mallikarjun Kharge. But there was one condition. In case Rahul wins both the seats, reports suggest he does not want to leave Wayanad. Now, since he has chosen Raebareli, critics believe it will be easier for him to stick to Wayanad since the Congress has a longer, possibly stronger association with Raebareli. Rahul's decision to not let Wayanad go is also understandable. Kerala will go into assembly polls in 2026. Congress is desperately looking to unseat the strong LDF government. Rahul Gandhi, leaving a Hindi heartland bastion for a southern state, sends a strong message to Congress cadre in Kerala.
उन्नीस साल की उम्र में जब मैं अपने शहीद पिताजी के टुकड़े घर लाई तो मैं नाराज थी इस देश से। मैं नाराज थी। मेरे दिल में यह भावना थी, मैंने अपने पिता को भेजा, तुम्हारा काम था सुरक्षित रखना, मैंने अपने पिता को हिफाजत से तुम्हारे पास भेजा और तुमने ये टुकड़े लौटा दिए मुझे।
A simpler explanation for Priyanka Gandhi skipping 2024 elections as well would be Congress's attempt to not bring all the three Gandhis in parliament. That would just give BJP more ammunition over nepotism. As per reports, Priyanka Gandhi had informed Congress High Command about her reluctance to contest the Lok Sabha polls. While her husband Robert Vadra has often shown his eagerness to contest polls, she has restricted herself to campaigning only. Two roads diverged for Rahul Gandhi on a political road, with Priyanka out and Robert Vadra not a viable option for obvious reasons. It seems the elder Gandhi sibling has stepped up to carry the family legacy. But did he choose the easy road?